My dear friends, today I will be discussing the role of vitamin E on health and disease condition. Vitamin E is an important vitamin, and these days it has been found to be present as an important constituent in almost all the cosmetics, especially skin lotion, moisturizer, also for hair growth or hair creams. So it proves that vitamin E can play an important role in skin health, as well as it promotes growth hair and cares about the hair. So before knowing that, we should also know that it has so many important functions in our human body, and it can play as a therapeutic regime in various clinical as well as disease conditions. So let's know something about vitamin E. Vitamin E is actually fat soluble vitamins. There are two types of vitamins. One is water soluble, another one is fat soluble. So vitamin E is a fat soluble vitamin, and at the same time it acts as a powerful antioxidant which prevents the damage to the tissue caused by free radicals and prevents the oxidative stress in our body. Chemically it is called tocopherol. Now this vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant, and working as an antioxidant, it prevents oxidation caused by various oxidants and free radicals. And these free radicals are very dangerous. They are produced at the end of some metabolites or metabolic reaction in the human body, and these may lead to DNA damage, then cell damage, increase apoptosis of any good cells, and increase the risk of cancers, increase the chance of mutation, increase the risk of aging, cardiovascular disease, stroke, hypertension, and various other illness. So vitamin E is a powerful antioxidant and prevent the tissue damage mechanism caused by the free radicals, and thus it working as antioxidant, it benefits a lot in our human body, and also it has some important role in various disease condition and its treatment. Now we'll discuss the benefit of vitamin E on various disease as well as health. So number one benefit is that it lowers the risk of various cancers. So cancer is occurring because of mutation, that may occur because of DNA damage or because of damage by the free radicals, and cancer may be because of aging mechanism also. So vitamin E, because of its antioxidant power, prevents the DNA damage by the free radicals and free radical mediated injury, and prevents DNA damage, at the same time prevents mutation, and thus it prevents the risk of having various type of cancers. So antioxidant role of vitamin E is very much important, as it can prevent the risk of certain cancers. Another important function of vitamin E is that it lowers the risk of heart disease. Now vitamin E is responsible for prevention of inflammation in the vascular system. Chronic inflammation leads to injury to the endothelial lining, and which may cause vascular injury, leading to risk of thrombosis as well as cholesterol deposition. Besides that, vitamin E also helps in lowering the cholesterol level and prevent oxidation of cholesterol, and thus it prevents the cholesterol deposition in the vascular system and prevent atherosclerosis, which is nothing but deposition of fatty substance or cholesterol in the vascular lumen or inside the vessel. And because of this deposition only of cholesterol on the inner lining of the vascular, the inner lining become narrow and it may lead to atherosclerosis. So regular use of vitamin E decrease the chance of atherosclerosis, and thus it prevents the risk of having heart disease in future. It also prevents the risk of getting myocardial infarction, stroke, and hypertension, which may further prevent the risk of getting heart disease in future. Another important function of vitamin E is that it prevents cataract formation. So indirectly we want to say that it is also good for eye health. Normal eye health maintenance. Lens is very much important for the reflection and refraction of the light or transmission of light and image formation. So this lens may become opaque because it is undergo oxidation with timing or with aging because of increased production of free radicals. Vitamin E prevents the oxidation of the lens and prevents the cataract formation. So vitamin E also plays an important role in prevention of cataract formation and temporary blindness, and also proper maintenance of eye function. Another important function of vitamin E is that it prevents aging mechanism. Now, one of the important mechanism by aging is accelerated is because of increased production of free radicals, and the free radical causes DNA damage, oxidative stress, then cellular death, increased apoptosis of various normal cells, and ultimately responsible for tissue damage, and which may increase the risk of cancer as well as increase the aging mechanism. Now, vitamin E, because of its antioxidant quality or property, it can prevent the free radical induced damage to the tissue as well as prevent oxidative stress. And because of inhibition of the oxidative stress, it helps in prevention or progression of aging. Thus, vitamin E can be used as a anti-aging medicine therapy or anti-aging therapy, and that's why it prevents various type of aging mechanism, and it is used by various dermatologists as cosmetics for maintenance of or prevention of aging sign symptoms like skin wrinkling. It also plays an important role, that is vitamin E plays an important role in formation and synthesis of prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are special type of vasoactive substance which are produced from eicosanoids, and it is first isolated from prostate secretion, and that's why it is called prostaglandin, and they are vasoactive substance. They are responsible for vasoconstriction, vasodilation, blood flow, blood pressure regulation, and various other mechanisms like inflammatory mediators. So directly or indirectly it plays an important role in normal physiological mechanism of prostaglandin blood pressure regulation also. Another important mechanism is that it promotes skin health and increase the proper health of the skin, or it increase the wound healing for skin, and thus it helps in proper skin health. Now, how it helps in proper maintaining skin health? Number one is that it prevents the damage of the skin by UV light, or it acts as a photo protection. It gives photo protection to the skin. UV light is responsible for damage to the skin, as well as it can lead to skin cancer in future. If the excessive exposure to the UV light on the skin is there, it may lead to skin cancer in future. So the vitamin E as a powerful antioxidant prevents the skin damage or damage of the tissue by the UV light, and thus it helps the photo protection or prevents even chance of getting skin cancer. Another important mechanism by which vitamin E plays an important role in skin health is that it enhances wound healing or decrease the wound healing time. So it increases the rapid wound healing. It also helps in proper wound healing and decrease the wound healing time. So it accelerate or increase the rate of wound healing. At the same time, it has a anti-inflammatory action. Now, vitamin E, because of its antioxidant, it prevents inflammation or effect of chronic inflammatory agents on the various parts of the body, and thus because of chronic inflammation prevention, it leads to the prevention of chronic disease. Besides that, skin health is also maintained by vitamin E because of its skin wrinkling quality is decreased. Means vitamin E use can lead to the decrease in the skin wrinkling, or it prevents wrinkling of the skin. So thus it helps in skin anti-aging mechanism. So it prevents the skin from looking like a older subjects. So it increases the skin glow, improves the health of the skin, at the same time prevent it from wrinkling, prevent the skin cancer, helps in wound healing, helps in proper maintenance of the skin injuries, inhibits skin injuries, and prevent inflammation like eczema, infection in the skin. Thus, overall function of vitamin E on the skin is that it helps in promotion of skin health. Another important function of vitamin E is that it helps in boosting the immunity. How it boosts the immunity? As a strong antioxidant, it prevents the oxidative stress induced damage to the immune cells, and thus by doing that it increases the number of T cell, B cell in the blood and improves the immune system. Another important mechanism or benefit that vitamin E exerts on the human body is that it prevents the age-related dementia, memory loss, and Alzheimer's disease. Now, Alzheimer's disease is because of neurodegenerative condition, which may be because of defect in the nucleus of Maynard, and oxidative stress may be a reason behind that. Besides, age-related dementia or senile dementia may also be prevented by vitamin E. Vitamin E prevents the oxidant-induced damage to the brain and thus prevents the oxidation-induced damage or oxidative stress-induced damage to the brain and prevent the memory loss, Alzheimer's disease, progression and senile dementia. Thus, it is very much good for brain health also or promoting health. It also increases the memory and cognitive function of the brain. Thus, overall brain function is improved with vitamin E therapy. So, vitamin E deficiency may lead to defect in brain function also. Another important function of vitamin E is that it helps in moisturization of the skin also. It prevents skin cancer and prevents psoriasis and eczema. Thus, vitamin E oil, if you apply locally, it helps as a skin moisturizer. It helps in moisturizing the skin. It prevents skin cancer or protection from the UV light, prevents sunburn, and finally it prevents eczema and psoriasis. So these are the various effects of vitamin E on the skin also. It has been seen in various studies that high dose of vitamin can improve the condition or sign symptoms of Alzheimer's disease. That means high dose of vitamin E can prevent the progression of Alzheimer's disease. So that is another important point to be noted, that vitamin E can also form a therapeutic measure in case of Alzheimer's disease. Besides that, in day-to-day life activity, we are exposed to oxidative stress, especially those are smokers. Because of smoking, there is a huge oxidant that is entering the body and leads to increased oxidative stress. Besides, those are alcoholics or regular alcoholism or severe alcoholics, they are prone to develop high amount of oxidative stress in the body, which may increase the oxidant level in the body. Besides, air pollution and exposure to UV light, all these 3-4 factors are responsible for increasing the oxidative stress in our body. So, vitamin E gives extra protection to our body against UV light exposure. It gives protection against another important factor, that is air pollution and the toxic effect by the smoking and alcoholism. So it prevents alcoholism, it protects from alcoholism, it protects from air pollution, it protects from UV light damage to the skin. Thus, because of all these factors, there is a oxidative stress which may damage our body. So vitamin E gives extra protection in response to all this damage or oxidative stress. Another important role of vitamin E is that it can protect against bladder cancer. So bladder cancer patients has been found that they are deficient in vitamin E, or those patients with vitamin E deficiency can also have been found to have bladder cancer. So this proves that vitamin E deficiency may lead to bladder cancer, or vitamin E can protect against bladder cancer. Another important benefit of vitamin E is that it also helps in treatment of rheumatoid arthritis. So that is very much important. It also helps in treatment of rheumatoid arthritis along with other disease modifying anti-rheumatoid arthritis drugs. Vitamin E also helps in cholesterol metabolism. It prevents cholesterol oxidation because of oxidative stress, and ultimately prevents cholesterol deposition in the blood vessels and prevent coronary or vascular atherosclerosis. Another important role of vitamin E is that it promotes hair growth and nourishes the hair and prevents the graying of hair. Thus, it ultimately helps in growth of hair and provides nutrition to the hair and prevents graying of hair or oxidative stress induced damage to the hair. So it also forms or prevents hair fall. Another important mechanism is that it can protect against cardiovascular disease. So vitamin E can also protect against cardiovascular disease. It also prevents clot formation, it prevents atherosclerosis, and ultimately it also prevents the risk of getting cardiovascular illness in long run. Besides that, it also decreases the cholesterol level in the blood, it prevents atherosclerosis and prevents hypertension, and risk of myocardial infarction, heart attack and brain stroke can be decreased because of vitamin E therapy. Another important function of vitamin E is that it also prevents non-alcoholic fatty liver, which is the one of the important stages which may lead to cirrhosis of liver in future, which may ultimately leads to hepatocellular failure or liver failure. So what I mean to say is that vitamin E can protect against non-alcoholic fatty liver, and which prevents the final stage of cirrhosis of liver. So it is it gives protection to liver also, and in liver disease also it can play an important role. It also promotes fertility in male. It is responsible for maintenance of sperm count, increase the sperm motility and overall growth of the sperm, and also helps in fertility in male. Another important mechanism or function of vitamin E is that it also helps to relieve from menstrual pain and premenstrual syndrome in case of female. So in case of female, it helps in menstrual pain and also give relief from premenstrual syndrome. So these are the various functions of the vitamin E. Out of this, most important is the antioxidant function, and it also helps in skin care. It prevents skin cancer, it prevents eczema formation, psoriasis, increases the chance of wound healing. It also boosts our immunity. It protects against various cancers like bladder cancer, prostate cancer, skin cancer, and many cancers are also study are going on based on many cancers and role of vitamin E on these cancers. So it has so many functions. It is a powerful antioxidant and also prevents aging and also promotes cosmetic purpose. It is very much important dermatologically because it promotes hair growth, skin beauty, and that's why it is always present in all the shampoos or skin cream or hair cream and so on. So vitamin E is very much essential for our life. Overall, it prevents aging mechanism also, it prevents the risk of heart disease, it prevents the risk of cancers, it also prevents some neurological condition like Alzheimer's disease, dementia like senile dementia or age-related dementia. Thus it also beneficial for neurological system or nervous system also. So overall function of vitamin E is that it is very much good for human body. But what are the sources of vitamin E that we should be knowing? Vitamin E sources are mostly plant-based oils like mustard oil, then you can take sunflower oil, then soybean oil. It contains vitamin E in it. Rice bran oil or rice oil, so these contain vitamin E on it. Besides that, it may also be present in nuts, various seeds, fruits and vegetables. These also contain vitamin E. Vitamin E toxicity has not been recorded so much, but it has been found that since it is a fat soluble vitamin, it is not excreted in the body or it remains stored in the body for longer time. So its deficiency may also have predisposed to many conditions, and toxicity can be there, but few sign symptoms has been recorded. For vitamin E can be taken for longer time without much side effects because it is very much beneficial for our body. And deficiency of vitamin E leads to various clinical conditions like aging mechanism will be accelerated, poor skin health, then hair fall, then increase the chance of various cancers and increase the chance of various heart disease, and in men they become infertility. So these are the various effects which may occur because of deficiency of vitamin E. So it is always advised to take vitamin E sources like plant oils or fruits and vegetables, then nuts, seeds like sunflower seeds, nuts, almonds nut, peanut, cashew nuts. These contain lots of vitamin E. So always add vitamin E in your diet and be happy, because vitamin E can protect against aging. So it can make you young forever. Thank you very much.